Hello everyone, welcome to course on Easy to Learn Automation. So in today's sessions we are going to see Java first concept is strings. So in these sessions it will help you in clearing the programming interview sessions. So the first program which we are going to see is string multiplication. I'm just going to create a new class file to perform this operation. So I mentioned class name. I create a public static void main. So basically the string multiplication is nothing but if user gives a string of 10a and b equal to again 10, so it should give 100. So if the interviewer asks you a question to multiply two strings from the user, then you have to think logically, like it's like an integer or a long or a big integer. So I will show these three things how we are going to do it in this program. So basically first thing is just I am getting one string I equal to then I'm mentioning string j equal to another string of 20. So since it is in a string condition, like we need to change to integer. So for that one there is a wrapper class known as integer class. So with that integer class we can convert that string into integer using this method integer dot parseInt. So if we pass that I, the string, it will be converted to type int. So here we can give integer or int. Again I will do the same for reading j value. So the multiplication is simple, like if you multiply it, it will be converting, it will do the normal multiplication for the string to integer. But this is a one solution. The thing is like for a QA resource you have to be like question that interviewer. So these questions won't be easy. Like first thing is you need to ask are we going to test integer or long integer or big integer kind of a thing. So if you are not asking any questions, so if you choose to write only integer, then the scope is reduced and it may give some false error. Like I will show you. Like we know that maximum value of the integer we can get it by this one, 2 power 31 bytes. So if user gives input greater than that one, so what our program will happen, so it will throw the error. So to handle that long values, again we can go with long method, or directly we can go with the big integer concept. So big integer is a class in Java which can handle a string of length. It can handle the maximum lines and lines of a string length, and we can easily convert that string into integer, and we can perform whatever operations we require. So for that one we need to import big integer class. So we just imported inside the big integer constructor, if you pass that string value, it will be converted to big integer. So again we need to create another variable, so we can name it as b2. Here we are passing value as another string. So we can't do this multiply operation here. So here for big integer they have a wrapper method, like multiply method is there. So b1 dot multiply b2. So which will multiply these numbers and gives that output. So consider this scenario, like if I'm giving a string of length, like any string of length greater than or long, so it will handle. So I am done with the code and I will run and show you. So here you can see this output. In this big integer we can handle a string of maximum length. So with this big integer even you can perform a powers program, like a 2 power n program. So you can give 2 power 100 or 2 power 1000, something like that. So with this big integer we can perform all these operations. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this channel. In upcoming videos we'll be seeing another set of interview questions.